Let's be creative about creativity. In 5 years' time, we will transform the way the arts and education sectors work together. Schools will work with inspiring professional artists and creative practitioners to set up exciting new ways of learning. We will rise to the challenge and develop partnerships. Regional networks will work collectively with arts and cultural practitioners to ensure all children have the chance to embark on their own journey and participate in the cultural life of Wales. By making creativity an integral part of the national curriculum in Wales, we can give the next generation the opportunity to develop the imagination and skills that are vital to our future. The arts inspire and excite the imagination of Wales's young people. We want to help give a voice and substance to that imagination. Creative learning through the arts will equip learners with the skills for life in the 21st century and inspire them to change our society, economy and culture. Because creativity has the power to shape the world.